Hello viewers. Today I built this little 3 LED flasher circuit. It's all SMD using some techniques I learned from some folks on YouTube. The circuit is a 3 MOSFET phase flasher. This was described on the learning circuit on the Element 14 Presents channel, and it is in a video called Making a FET Phase Light. And the techniques of construction came from techniques and strategies for building electronic circuits. This is from a channel called Leo's Bag of Tricks. So these techniques he gave me were really amazing. I had trouble working with SMD before, and this actually turned out to be work quite well. The only thing that I modified, he uses an X-Acto knife to make the tool for gouging out the copper to isolate the pads. I actually made it out of the X-Acto first, and it didn't work too well for me. So I made another one out of a razor blade seen here, and that one worked really well. It's pretty easy to just gouge out the copper down to the fiberglass backing on the boards to make the pad boundaries. And here is the circuit diagram. So it's all surface mount. There are 805 package resistors. The capacitors and the diodes are 1206 surface mount packages. And the 3 MOSFETs are A2 SHBs in a SOT23 package. And if I get this turned off, hopefully I can zoom in and show you the board itself in a little more detail. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. Here is the board itself. So it's reasonably straightforward. It matches exactly, and sort of even the layout kind of matches the circuit diagram. There is one invisible connection on this. This is a double-sided board, and on the far right you can see a solder pad between the positive and negative voltage inputs. That is a through hole that goes to the back plane of the double-sided board, and on the left-hand side, to the left and just below the leftmost LED, that's another through hole connection to the back plane. So that's the invisible connection that provides the feedback from the resistor that's placed at the drain of Q3 and then travels over to the pad at the gate of Q1. So that provides the feedback to do the oscillation. All the rest of them are right next to each other. That one needs to loop back to the other end of the board. Anyhow, this worked out okay for me. It was kind of fun to build. If there's any other more interesting ones I make, I'll let folks know and upload them. All right, thanks for watching.